Understanding the phrase, "Come up roses," a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and colorful phrase in the English language, "come up roses." This expression is not just about flowers, but it carries a deeper meaning in conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means when something comes up roses. The phrase, "come up roses," is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to describe a situation that has turned out very well or successfully, especially when it seemed unlikely. Think of a garden where, against all odds, roses bloom beautifully. This section will explain how this phrase paints a picture of success and positivity. Understanding the origin of phrases helps in grasping their meanings better. "Come up roses" likely has its roots in the natural beauty and positive symbolism of roses in many cultures. We'll explore how this connection between roses and positive outcomes came to be a part of everyday English conversation. Here, we'll look at practical examples of how to use "come up roses" in sentences. You'll learn to recognize the context in which this phrase is used and how to incorporate it naturally into your own conversations. Examples will range from casual chats to more formal discussions. Even simple phrases can be tricky. In this section, we'll cover some common mistakes people make when using "come up roses." We'll clarify the nuances and ensure you're using it correctly, enhancing your English fluency and confidence. English is rich with idiomatic expressions. We'll introduce you to similar phrases that convey the same idea as "come up roses." This will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you understand the diverse ways English speakers express positivity and success. And that's a wrap on "come up roses." We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using this colorful expression. Remember, learning a language is like a garden. Nurture it, and it will surely come up roses. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.